lovely ladies, my beauties. How are you? So what I've been doing lately is trying to make TikToks and YouTube shorts. Now, when you open up your YouTube app on your phone or your computer, you'll see there's some shorts which are under a minute, videos that are under a minute. And it's a way to get your name out there and get people curious. So, you know, I love technology. I'm always trying something new. I want to show you these plackers that I use for my teeth. Not that my teeth are so great. I have to have 2 more teeth pulled. Isn't that crazy? Oh, I don't know what I'm going to chew on. But these are just as good as flossing with that long string. Plackers. Smile like everyone's watching. That's what they say. Now, you've got this end, which is like a toothpick. And then you've got the floss. And you just go. These are very good. I keep a drawer full of these right next to my bed. I just do it while I'm in bed. And it's fabulous. I also have these. Now these are a little bristle brush. Kind of like an eyebrow brush. Very, very thick little handle for a tiny little brush. But this is good to carry around with you. So we got the plackers and we've got this. This is called Dentek. This is by Dentek, D-E-N-T-E-K. Excellent products. Excelente. I have to show you something. This brush I bought as a backup because the brush that I use, which is, I'll put the name across, which is my favorite, which makes my straw, disgusting hair look like this. If I didn't use it on it, it is a bowl of fuzz, okay? You have to believe me. I use my ceramic brush and I use jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is the miracle oil you need. It is the closest thing to our own oil, and it absorbs and it doesn't make your hair greasy. I put 3 dropperfuls on this morning and all it's done is tame it, smooth it. Now if I put coconut oil, then it would be greasy. And then I'd have to wash it right away, maybe in a day or 2. But with this, it doesn't get greasy with the jojoba oil. My favorite brush, which is that, I've talked to you about it, is pretty expensive now and it's hard to find. So I said, I need to find a dupe. I need to find a dupe. So I did. I found a dupe. And it was only $14.99. And there it is. Less frizz, more shine. I mean, look at the girl. See? And then she went to that. Frizz away, frizz away. 6 feet cord. Wide bristles, evenly distributes heat, auto shut off. Oh, that's good. That is excellent. But here's some pictures, before and afters, and I will show you. I have these case. I bought these cases a while ago. If I could find them, I will put a link down below. It has a pocket here, and these are great. You could just put your blower, your curling iron, your brush right in here when it's hot. And you've got a little pocket in the back. You could put the glove. So as soon as you unplug it, which I always unplug it, and then I just stick it right in here, hot, boiling hot. And then I wrap the wire around so I can see that it is unplugged. Because I will just obsess when I'm out of the house, for the whole time I'm out of the house. Did I shut that off? Did I shut this off? Did I shut that off? So I always double check before I walk out the door. I have my phone, my keys, my bag, and did I shut everything off? So this is a heat-proof glove, which I use on my left hand while I'm using this. And let me tell you, ladies, it works. I'm happy about that. So it's got a button back here, and it lights up, it heats up, and then you just slowly, you press your hair into the back of the brush so the coils can reach all the strands of hair, and you just slowly brush your hair. It's so easy. All I do is section my hair off to the top, and I do the whole bottom. And then the top, all I do is brush it down slowly. You know, no style whatsoever. And then I brush it all back. I put my jojoba oil and whatever other products. And here it is, $14.99. What a steal. Such a steal. I got it in Ross. It's called Silky Straight Ceramic Hair Straightening Brush. And now look, I straighten my hair, but look, I'm wavy, I'm curly. If you have a very, very wavy, curly hair like I do, it may only stay very straight for the first day, and then after that, you kind of get like some of this stuff, you know? You get waves and curls. So anyway, excellent brush, and that's it. And you put it away right in there, and you wrap your cord around so you can make sure that it is off and unplugged. But this does have an automatic off, which is good. Auto shut off. I like that a lot. And then I have a glove. I'll put a link down for everything, if that'll help you. Ah, I love it. Love. So, okay, this, yay, I could put this away. These candies are so good. Now, I usually buy Chimes honey lemon or something for a dry throat or a cough. And these, I couldn't resist. I bought them 4 times already. Toasted coconut hard toffee with sea salt. And they come individually wrapped. There's 3.5 ounces. I get 2 bags, I think, for $7. And they come in the lit package. It's very cute. And then you just, I do have a hard time opening these. Okay. And that is what it looks like. Yummy. If you're in the mood for some ridiculously crazy dessert, have one of these. The most I have is 2 at a time, because it satisfies me. They're made with real coconut milk, dairy-free, gluten-free, vegan, 128 calories for 8 pieces, 130 milligrams for 8 pieces, and 19 grams of sugar for 8 pieces. So I only have 2. So to me, it's free. Let's see, what else? Look at these wallets. Are these not pretty? Just a little holographic fun. I couldn't decide, so every time I saw it, I bought it. I mean, they're not leather. They're not made 100% like a designer wallet, but they're good enough. They've got slots for the cards, slot for dollar bills, and change, or whatever you want to put in there. And it's just so pretty. And then this one has a very nice zipper pull. And card holders, slots for money, zipper for change, slots back here. Really nice. And these are by Season of Flowers. And they both come with this strap. So you can put this around your neck. Grab your phone, your keys, run out the door. You could put your phone in here, actually, and you probably could put your keys, too. Now, this is my phone case. There it is. So I'm going to put it in here, and it fits. That's nice. That is so nice. I would put my house key and my car key. I think that's all I need. Just my house key, my car key, my phone, is my wallet. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I think it's beautiful. I think it's a fun addition to your wardrobe. It looks cute. I think it's very cute. I'll see if I could find them for you, the exact ones. One of my grandchildren, my granddaughter, Daniela, is a dental hygienist. She's only 22. She's gone through 4 years of college. She's been working as a hygienist, and she cleans all our teeth. When we go into her office, we follow her wherever she is. And then she was telling me about xylitol. And xylitol has so many healing benefits to your mouth. And I'm just going to let you know what that is right here. Let me tell you about this one. This is chocolate mint. I've gotten spearmint, I've gotten bubble gum, and I've gotten chocolate mint. This is so delish. And anytime after I eat, if my mouth feels dry, I chew one of these. It feels like you just freshly brushed and rinsed your teeth. Xylitol helps kill bacteria, and xylitol, hear ye girls, you gotta listen to this one. Xylitol inhibits the growth of bacteria that cause cavities. If your kids are going to chew gum, chew the one with xylitol. It does these because these bacteria, Streptococcus mutans, cannot utilize xylitol to grow. Over time, with xylitol use, the quality of bacteria in the mouth changes, and fewer decay-causing bacteria survive on tooth surfaces. I wish I knew this years ago. Does xylitol heal teeth? The number of acid-producing bacteria may decrease as much as 90%. Since xylitol slows destruction and enables some rebuilding of the enamel, it helps prevent new cavities from forming and over time can reverse tooth decay that already occurred. Can xylitol cure gum disease? As xylitol limits the production of oral bacteria, patients with gum disease experience reduced soft tissue irritation and bleeding. It also lowers acid levels on your teeth, which prevents the development of tooth decay, and has been shown to remineralize dental enamel, making teeth stronger over time. I mean, that is miraculous. And I get these on Amazon, and I absolutely love it. I chew a few pieces a day, not for long, for 30 minutes. I think you have to chew it for at least 30 minutes, keep it in your mouth, which is fine. You get, let's see, 55 pieces of gum. And I think there's 2 packs for $7, something like that. Amazing. You need it. Your family needs it. You need it. Everybody needs it. In fact, I have 2 teeth that have to be pulled. Could you imagine? They already have crowns on them. They have to be pulled. But I've been chewing this gum, and I have no pain in my mouth, and I'm just putting it off as long as I can. Because I know that this gum is going to help the formation of more cavities. Boy, it's never done, huh? Okay, my beauties, my beauties, my beauties. Thank you for coming by and spending a little time with me. I miss you. I love you all. I'm here for you. And thank you for being here for me. I'll see you in my next video. Or my shorts.